Hello? From Hostos Community College, and now I go to City College. So my major in City College is education, double major in political science. And this is my first workshop, be kind with me. And, and there we go. So my first question would be, anybody has an idea what is United Nations? What's your name? Dara? What is United Nations?
Usually a place that unites a lot of countries around the world.
That's good. Anybody else? Your name? Said. Said. Said.
So it's like all the masters and presidents.
That's good. Anybody else? Your name?
Yeah, it's like a coalition, some leaders that gather together, all brothers and sisters together.
Those are all really, really good. So United Nations is an intergovernmental organization that are tasked to maintain peace, security, and create a friendly relationship between countries. And those are with countries. Modern UN is a different thing. Modern UN? Yes. So modern UN, modern United Nations, also known as modern UN or MUN, is an educational simulation academic activity in which students learn how to make, students learn diplomacy, international relationship, and mainly about United Nations, how to work, how to commit to work, how to get into those committees, and how do you work on over people as students. Yeah. So modern UN is a simulation of United Nations. So they take students, they assign them a country, and they call delegates. And those in the and they put them in committee to work together with other students and put themselves in shoes of diplomats that work at modern UN, at United Nations. So the background of modern UN. Modern UN was created in 1949. The first modern UN was at St. Lawrence, and it was created by Reef, George, and George George Reef and Reef George. George was an advisor for the United Nations delegation during the 1945 charter in San Francisco. And after that, 3 years later, he tried to create a student aid for students to learn how modern United Nations will work. Okay. So what happened? Can everybody hear me? So what happened during modern UN? During modern UN, participants at modern UN, like I said before, are known as delegates. And those delegates are placed in committees. They have different committees that talk about different topics. And the delegates are put in committee to talk about those issues. And the delegate, before you go to modern UN, at your school or your organization, they assign you the country and they assign you topic that you have to research before you go. So they assign you a topic and they assign you a committee. Before you go to modern UN, to do that, you have to do a research. You have to know what you're talking about. You have to know your topic. You have to know what is your country position on that specific topic. So that works. Is that it? Yes. You have to know exactly what you're talking about. You have to know what is going to happen. You have to know, oh, this is my country position in this. So that's how I have to defend it. And then modern UN teach and allow students to be to debate over them. So like over delegates are from different university or organizations. They are also assigned from and debate programs. So he allows you to write speech on committee and especially to write a resolution paper. He allows you to apply your critical thinking, teamwork with other delegates as well, And leadership, exercise your leadership while being in the committee. You have to take charge, you have to know what you want and be able to express it for others. So I just talked about the fact that when you're doing allows you to write a resolution. What is a resolution? The resolution paper is a document. A resolution paper is a document that contains all the issues that the committee wants to solve and to propose a solution to that issue. So you are a delegate and you represent the country. Coming in, you know that, okay, this is my topic and this is what my country position is on that topic. When you get into those committees, you're going to talk with other students that also represent from different countries. And together, you're going to come up with different solutions to create a resolution paper. But the solution will come for your country. So for example, if your country, give me a country. If Puerto Rico is talking about energy, for example, they're talking about and what they did to prevent the hurricanes to happen. All the solutions that Puerto Rico did during the hurricane, you go down to your commission. Another country has that. They're going to discuss how we're going to put together a resolution paper to have it, a teamwork, having a great resolution paper that will tackle the hurricane in different countries. Exactly. So if you have that, Puerto Rico has a solution, right? The solution that works in Puerto Rico can apply to different other countries. Then that's why the resolution paper is made. The resolution paper has sponsor, signature, committee, and the topic are So what is a sponsor and what is signature? The sponsor are the initial draft of the document and how we should do that. So, for example, if you are from Puerto Rico and the hurricane happened in Puerto Rico and you know wherever you go, Puerto Rico did to prevent the hurricane or to have every solution to help people. Exactly. You take this and you like, we have this solution, and I want to be able to put that in the solution for everybody to help me. And everybody else will give a solution to you, and you're going to put together in that. We also have signatories. After you've done putting together your resolution paper, you have other people in the committee, and you want to show them what you came up with, and you're going to read it and try to support your resolution paper. You're going to read it and like, okay, this sounds good, this is good, this is good. This can work in other countries too, so we support that. Those are signatories. And when they're supported, when everything is done, you're going to go back to your committee and you're going to vote on which resolution paper is the best. As much as you can. The more you have, the better your resolution is. So that if you have everybody in your committee sign into your resolution paper, that's a great one. When you go, everybody's going to vote for it, and you have the best resolution. So as much as you can have it, that's a great one. So when you annually draw participants from more than 130 member states to address a global issue, usually the students work, like I said, students come from schools, from organizations. Sometimes they're not even students. They come from different organizations, and they represent another country. So somebody can come from space and represent France. So you don't have to represent your own country. You can represent a completely different country, but you have to put yourself in the mindset of that country. Okay, before we go, I talk fast when I'm excited. So if you're saying I'm going fast, say slow down. Somebody say slow down, yeah, slow down. So since 2010, students for Hostos leadership as we've been participating to what they're doing. This is the first country. And this is last. Yeah. So when you go, when the conference happened in November, and in November you go to Washington D.C. And when you go, Thursday afternoon, and then on Friday you go around D.C. and you take a picture and you see around. And then in the afternoon, you come to vote on your topic and see which topic you want to discuss as a topic. Now, I'm still gonna ask me, why do I do all this? So, usually, when the leadership student goes to modern UN, or we go, we wait November and then we go. What we wanna change it this time. We wanna be able to have a core group and have different workshops throughout the 7 months that leads to go to in November. So we wanna have a core group, have students willing to go, and throughout the year we're gonna have workshop to teach you what is a position paper, what is a resolution, how to write a speech when you're in committee, how to be at ease when you go in front of people and talk about what you're discussing. So this is why we're doing the information section, because we want to have students that are willing to participate in those workshops that we're going to have throughout the year to prepare them for November conference. And we're not doing it alone. We're doing it with collaboration of a professor at City College. The City College have classes for modern UN, and students from there go and that's the final grade, so they work at it. And we want to have students from here participate with them. We're going to go and have simulation in class with them. And they do have a club there. And if we have a core group here, we can also create a club in Hostos and be able to do simulation in those different schools. They have a conference in New York. That's a 5-day conference. And if we are good at it, and at Israel, we can participate in those 5 days. So for now, we just participated in Washington, D.C. in November. That's a 3-day conference. So this is why I'm doing this section. We want to recruit students to have a core group, do different workshops throughout the year, and then go in November. Should I say November? Yes, please. So like for more information, this is my phone number and my email. And I also have, this is how a resolution paper look like. I also made this for any student that want to participate. You put your name, your phone number, your email, and the spring semester, any day you think you are available and the time, so that from there we can create a time spot to have those workshops. In February, we're gonna go to City College and have a stimulation in class. We have a modern UN class, and we're gonna do a simulation with those students at City College. So anybody that wants to participate, think about it. I want it back. Oh, yeah. So you put your name, your phone number, your email, and the time and the day that you are available during the spring semester. So this is a resolution for that. And you want to see, after you've done it in the committee, what do you produce? You have one? Everybody have one? Do anybody have a question? Your name? Brianna, please. Oh, if that's, okay, so if you're representing, let's say Benin. Benin is a country in West Africa. And Benin, when you go, you have different committees. So a committee can be about women issue. And when you go in committee, you have 3 topics. And with those 3 topics, they ask you to vote on which topic you want to talk about as a whole. If you vote about that, that's the only topic you can talk about. So if it's a woman issue and you're from Benin, you're going to talk about gun violence. Because those might be about women issue, but that's not the topic we're talking about. So you have to stay in the mindset of your country. So if you represent Benin, you are representing Benin. You're not from the United States anymore, you're from Benin. And you are talking about the issue of Benin, not the issue of the United States. You cannot talk about gun violence because that's not related to Benin. So if you are from a country, you talk about the issue of that country. Yeah. Aside. Let us say, so doesn't work. We have different committees. So if your committee is about women issue and inequality, about getting access to healthcare for women, and then your topic is how to get access to healthcare for women, that's your topic. So anything that, and you're from South Africa, and South Africa has different solutions how to have women get access to healthcare. Those are the solutions that you're going to propose in your committee. Any other solution that you know about that is in the United States, you cannot talk about because you're not from the United States, you're from South Africa. Yes, sir? Your name, please? Thomas.
So in these committees and the topics that you discuss, conversations, do we go anywhere higher?
So when there's two different rooms. This is the room that we vote about, one topic we want to talk about. And when everybody will vote about that, you have another room that you go and you talk with different students. Okay, this is the solution I have for my country, and I want that to be part of the resolution team that we produce. And you can bring your computer and try to write the resolution. They're going to give you a template of how to write the resolution paper. That's why we want to have a workshop so people know how to write this and they can take leadership when they're part of those groups and be able to write them. So you can give your solution of wherever your topic is and then put that to this resolution. When everything's over, it's Sunday morning, you will share this. You can have 3 groups writing on 3 different resolutions on the same topic, and then when you're done, you share with those 3 groups, and everybody read your resolution paper to see, do I like this resolution paper? After that, you go again in the big group. Okay, after that, you go again in the big room, and then you start voting on those resolution papers. Everybody has read those 3 resolution papers to see which one is the better one, which one can work in my country. And when I say in my country, it's the country you represent, not the country you are originally from. Those are mainly students. From where you went, it's mainly students. So most of the students are from the United States. But your country is the country you are assigned to. You are from Benin, you are from South Africa. You cannot think about the issue in the United States. You have to think about the issue from Benin or from South Africa.
I think what he's asking is if their paper really kind of affected and changed their content.
So,
That's what he was saying right here.
okay. So after that, they go to brain revenue. It's not going to affect anything. It's for you to learn. Yeah, exactly. This is the educational tool. It's for you to learn diplomacy, and then when you're going to start working at the UN, you know what to do. You know how to address those. This is the educational tool. So, any more questions? Any more questions?